Alright. It's almost 12:30 at night. We ain't got shit to do. It's Sunday. So, you better sit here and try to do handstands. Attempt. Hey, you did it. Your turn. My little cousin Daniqua.
I can't do it for shit. She can do it better than me. Oh, God.
You did it. Do it again. Do it again.
Oh, my God. Okay. I'm on the front. Oh.
Yes. Yeah.
I'm like, forget how to do this.
You did it.
I didn't do it.
Flip your legs back over.
Oh, flip them?
Duh.
Oh, hey. Hey.
You can't do it.
No.
Try. Push yourself.
What was that? What was that? I'm
Alright, let me do it one more time.
Yeah.
Alright, this is my last time.
I think.
See how come you can do them now?
I don't know.
Bye.